Hi friends, welcome to Money Sorcery channel. At any point of time if you feel this video is valuable for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more updates. So let us quickly discuss today's market updates. BSE Sensex is up by 285 points, that is 0.35%, and settled at 81,741 points. Nifty 50 is up by 93 points, that is 0.38%, and settled at 24,951 points. Bank Nifty is up by 54 points, that is 0.11%, and settled at 51,553 points. Nifty Mid Cap 100 Index is up by 367 points, that is 0.63%, and settled at 58,990 points. Nifty Small Cap 100 Index is down by 69 points, that is 0.36%, and settled at 19,137 points. Adani Energy Solutions had launched a qualified institutional placement on Tuesday evening to raise funds and had fixed the floor price of the QIP at 1,027 rupees and 11 paise per share, which was a discount of nearly 10% to the stock's closing price on Tuesday. Sources added that the QIP has received strong demand from domestic mutual funds and global investors alike. Shares of Adani Energy Solutions are trading with gains of 1.1% and are off opening highs at 1,136 rupees and 65 paise. The stock is up 7.7% so far in 2024. Solara Active successfully completes EU GMP inspection at Puducherry facility, company said in an exchange filing. With this positive news, stock surged up in today's session. In a significant development, Toyota Kirloskar Motor India on Wednesday said it has signed a memorandum of understanding with the Maharashtra government to set up a new factory, with an investment of around 20,000 crore rupees. The proposed investment, once finalized, is expected to be made over a multi-year period, potentially contributing to substantial job creation and economic growth in the region, the company said in a statement. The strategic location is likely to enhance TKM's ability to meet business and logistical requirements more efficiently, allowing the company to serve wider markets within the country and abroad, thereby offering significant advantage and growth opportunities, it said. With this positive news, stock surged up in today's session. Tata Motors Ltd has entered the top 10 most valued global automotive firms, the first Indian company to do so, thanks to a continued stock surge. The stock has risen over 50% this year and over 101% in 2023, with a market cap of $51 billion, the highest among Indian auto companies. Copran Limited is a fully integrated pharmaceutical company that manufactures and supplies high-quality formulations and active pharmaceutical ingredients globally. Copran has received environmental clearance from Government of India Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change on 30th July 2024 for manufacturing of synthetic organic chemicals, active pharmaceutical ingredients and its intermediates, up to 97 MTs month at its manufacturing unit at plot number 663 GIDC Panoli, Taluka, Ankaleshwar, District, Bharuch, Gujarat. The company will now obtain consent to establish and consent to operate from Gujarat Pollution Control Board for additional capacities approval under the environmental clearance received. With this positive news, stock surged up in today's session. Aurionpro Solutions Limited works in providing business solutions in the fields of transaction banking platform, customer experience, ACE platform, smart city and smart transportation experience and cybersecurity solution. The company primarily offers software products and consulting services to banking industry in India and abroad. Co-secures major deal with Malaysia's leading bank to modernize its corporate lending processes. With this positive news, stock surged up in today's session at 12 p.m. Zydus Life Sciences announced that the Mexican regulatory authority COFEPRIS, Federal Commission for the Protection Against Sanitary Risk, has granted marketing approval for Mamitra trademark symbol, a trastuzumab biosimilar. The drug will be marketed in different strengths of 150 mg and 440 mg and used in the treatment of patients with HER2 overexpressing metastatic breast cancer, HER2 overexpressing early breast cancer, and advanced gastric cancer. Breast cancer has become the most diagnosed cancer in Mexico, overtaking prostate and colorectal cancers. Zydus had developed and launched the trastuzumab biosimilar developed in-house by the research team at the Zydus Research Center in 2016 in India under the brand name Vivitra. Since then, an estimated 1 lakh patients have been treated with the therapy. With 12 life-saving biosimilars already launched in the market, Zydus has been bridging the unmet need for affordable therapies in the fight against cancer in India. With this positive news, stock surged up in today's session. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates.